Correct way to define class variables in Python. I noticed that in Python, people initialize their class attributes in two different ways. The first way is like this. The other style looks like. Which is the correct way to initialize class attributes?
Neither way is necessarily correct or incorrect, they are just two different kinds of class elements. Elements outside the _init_ method are static elements, they belong to the class. Elements inside the _init_ method are elements of the object, self, they don't belong to the class. You'll see it more clearly with some code. As you can see, when we change the class element, it changed for both objects. But, when we change the object element, the other object remained unchanged.
I think this sample explains the difference between the styles. Element 1 is bound to the class, element 2 is bound to an instance of the class.